Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you recipe and ideas. But anyway, the question which I want to ask today, can water spoil? Yes or no? Can water expire? Yes or no? Because nowadays when you look at a bottle of water, you see all different kind of dates. You see water said use it in 3 days, use it in 6 days, use it in weeks, I use 2015, 2016, 2017, 2020. So we want to know, can water expire? I want to ask the public, I want to ask my fans, I want to ask my friends, I want to ask a lot of people, what do you think? Can water expire? The reason why I want to ask the question, because I brought a bottle of water and basically I didn't look at it. I just said, you know what I mean, it's water, so I just brought it and just put it in my bag. I was in the supermarket shopping and I brought the bottle of water and I bring it home. So when I bring it home, it said on the bottle, use within 3 days. So we want to find out, can water expire? Can water last for 3 days in a bottle or use expired certain kind of day? So we want to say, it said water, a bottle of water, use within 3 days time. It's like a bottle of milk. You know what I mean? You buy a bottle of milk, you say use it in 6 days time, 5 days time, or expire 3 days time or 4 days time. The bottle of water said use within 3 days time. And what I did, I removed the label because of copyright. You know what I mean? I didn't want to show you guys the label. So I want to find out from you guys, can water expire? Please write it below. It's very important. This is very important. I don't want to say to my fans, be careful of what you eat and what you drink. It's very, very important. What's going on at the moment, we have to be careful of what we are eating and what we are drinking. So the question, can water expire? Can water become used in 3 days time? Can water use between 1 week's time, 4 days time, 5 days time? I'd love for you to write your comments below, because I don't know what's going on at the moment, because it's crazy, you know what I mean? So I just want to get it straight to my fans and to the public. So guys, be careful of what you eat and of what you are drinking. Look at the labels, look at things before you put it in your mouth and go in your stomach, because nowadays there is so many things going on, too much competition, and they want to be ahead of us. So that's what's going on at the moment. Look at that cabbage, what's going on at the moment with the white cabbage. You know what I mean? You can burn the cabbage and it turn into rubber. I never see anything like that in my whole entire life. You burn the cabbage and it turn into rubber. So guys, I'm asking you, my fans and my friends, and please look very carefully what you're buying, what you're drinking, and what you're eating. Can water expire? Yes or no? That's my question. I'm asking. Please leave your comments below. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team, and thank you so much for watching my show. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming your way. And also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Google me, Chef Ricardo Cooking. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.